Let's poke under the hood here and see how I'm doing some of this. And I'm trying to make it as core to Rails as possible without many outside dependencies, and really no outside dependencies, if you will. But so far, here's how it's basically put together. I'm not going to dig into exactly everything because there's a lot, but here's the block model. That's really the core thing. And then blocks controller is where a lot of the action happens, of course, the update and create actions. And, it's very rough right now. So I'm going to need to do a lot of refactoring. So far, there's a lot of like repetition of code and so many different little user flows that I had to sort of handle. So this is like creating new blocks and then, or no, that was updating blocks and this is creating blocks. And these look very similar. So there's going to be a lot of refactoring. These actions then hit turbo streams on update. We have all these different scenarios. You're seeing a bunch of variables here to basically handle all the little situations that happen in an editor. If I'm updating, like deleting a block might happen during an update, right? So for example, here I'm actually going to delete 2 blocks, but like if I go in here and I delete all the content in that block, I need to actually update it by deleting the block. Or if I'm starting a new block and then I convert it to a headline, I do this thing where we are reformatting. So a lot of that is happening in Turbo, but then all the real fun stuff is mostly happening in JavaScript in stimulus controllers.